Hola guys, good evening! Tomorrow, tayo ay lalayas na dito guys. Nag-morning shift pala ako at kagigising ko lang. We're gonna have some dinner with Franz. Magdi-dinner kami guys. Actually, 4 lang kami kasi mostly sa mga tao dito, nagbakasyon. So, hindi natin sila makakasama. So, pero okay na yun. 4 tayo. 4. Let's go, girl. Ha? Saan sa mo? Dito sa tela, ha? Or balik na lang ta? Dire. Sige, go. Gosh, so hot. Guys, andito na tayo. Ang bango-bango na ng pagkain. Mix platter and basta. Marami pa. Hungry. Ito lang, isa uy. Let's go. So guys, kami ngayon ay nagpa-pack, naglo-load ng mga gamit. Tapos, may injury kasi si Michelle sa shoulder. So, buti na lang tinutulungan nila tayo kasi sobrang bigat na mga luggage, guys. Saan naman to? Ito. Vacuum ng car. Kailan? Ayuda, spa, milk, salt. Sa mukha, eh. Itong uban. Naman free pads. Free pads. Uy! Mga paayuda. Mga electric fan at tissue.
Ang mga tissue.
Ironing board.
Buang wala mag-iron board.
Washing machine.
Thanks guys. Oh.
Sige, salamat.
Uy, salamat.
See you next time again.
Uy, salamat kayo ninyo ha.
Balik mo.
Sukol na.
Depende.
Sukol ka.
Enjoy mo sa iyong vacation.
Sukol ka. Kapag galing niyo, pakakasukol. Dukol ka.
We said goodbye, no clarity. I'm leaving now. Are you blaming me? Radio silence, but I guess that's how it can be. Now you're just a stranger in a crowded room. Many different faces
check by accommodation. Maraming salamat. My goodness, tagal lang dito, no? It's just check. Wala tayong maiwan. Day, napita ng tissue eh. We are gonna drop off the keys, guys. Bye. Bye, everyone. Look at us. Puno na naman. Puno na naman ang sasakyan. 4 hours, guys. Punta tayo sa shopping center because today is actually Alo's birthday. Tamang-tama kasi day off tayo ng weekend. And yeah, makikita natin si Luboy. So, surprise natin siya. Bilhan natin siya ng gifts.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's the happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make
Guys, grabe talaga, guys. Twice na kami nag-detour, guys. And then, ang pangit talaga ng daanan. Gravel road talaga, guys. Tapos yung oras talaga namin. Okay, tadiriday.
Okay.
Grabe talaga yung ad ng aming travel time. Kaloka. And then yung mga gamit namin sa likod, kasi nga very uneven yung road. Nagfo-forward, naghuhulog na yung mga gamit nga. So si Michelle ulit yung nag-drive kasi nga pag ako nag-forward, so lumaki yung space sa likod. So nahulog na yung aming arrangement. Yung mga bags namin nahulog na. So nung nagpunta kami sa uneven road, si Michelle lang yung nag-drive para ma-push back na naman yung aming mga na-arrange nga ng mga gamit. Hindi sila masyado mag-move. Ay nako, ewan ko ba talaga kung anong ganap nila ngayon, kung bakit sobrang daming detour ngayon. So nakakaloka. Hindi ko alam kung ilang minutes ba yung na-add sa travel time namin. Mga ilang minutes kaya day? Half an hour? Sobrang tagal. Loka. Anyway, at least ngayon, iba na. At least ngayon asphalt na, guys, oh. Better.
Call beach man. Rocking horse.
Hello. nga pala kami sa T3 Plaza. Naghahanap tayo ng present for Arlen. Guys, we're finally here! My goodness! Guys, surprise natin si Arlen na andito kami sa kanyang birthday. Oh my God. So, nandito na sila ate kasi nag-playground sila. Tapos, hello! Happy birthday, Alaboy! Happy birthday, boy! Where my presents? Hi? No, you got present. Hi, ate.
Hello, Isla girl!
Yeah, that one. Later. For later. Okay. We open it later. Happy birthday, Alo!
Kiss Tita Michelle first.
Tita. Oh. Hello. Hi, Dee. Hi. Oh, you look so flush. Hello. Look at Arlo. Look at Arlo. Eli. Hi, guys. Happy birthday, boy.
Are you surprised?
Are you surprised? Look, grabe kayo. Look, ano.
Maybe wait, Aldo. Wait.
Are you gonna open it later? What? Na-paper shoot. Hoy! What? Walang pakialam sa mga clothes, oh. Napa may presyo. Open presents! Di lagi siya clothes, dahil. Doesn't really care about the clothes. What? Some more. Hello, Gigi.
This is my car.
Uy.
Who's that?
Hello. Oh, yeah, that's for Ala.
How about this one? Minion?
Got one for you, ate.
Oh, this is for the car.
Nisha.
Okay, Isla girl. Yeah, Theo.
Hi, friend.
Do it.
Hi, friend. Hello, friend. Wala siya. Uy, open sa present. Uy. Nakay Pikachu dito.
Former robot.
Nakay Pikachu dito. Ganang katang Pikachu, no? Pareham sa limang na. Nakay present. Pikachu. Nalagay siya brace.
Nadagma sa nakuha sa edge.
That's so cute.
Sa table.
Spider-Man jacket.
That's...
I wake up from the sunshine on my face.
The originals.
So dehydrated, don't know what
The biggest one. Ano pa isa?
was sleeping by my side. What did I
Display.
do last night? Can someone make this headache go away?
Ito pa. Gray.
Yesterday was supposed to be quiet.
YouTube ito ha.
Busy, wala eh.
Ano naman kay? Wala kulangan? Anong gamay na, te?
Wala nalagyan na siya.
Ano na yung large? Ni large man akong gi-order. Tipid mode. Large na rice nila. Ganito. Tapos, ganito yung broccoli. Mura
Mahal na bilong this ang ginamang.
Ay, sorry. Wala pa nakita din nila. Ito na yun. Broccoli nila. Tsaka yung large rice nila. Ganito lang.
Usually ganito, half nito.
Ngi.
Ako yung boss dito. May pala ko yun.
Sige. Hello. Kain tayo, guys. Nandos. My God. Sarap na Nandos. Nakakamiss.
Yeah, gamay. Diyan ko man tayo ko last nandos na kulta sa kanila ko siguro. Sa ito ba? Hindi gamay. Siguro. Ako kausa.
Okay.
Ikaw din. Ano ka?
Munggo.
Mando.
Nandos. Natipid.
Ang kunti na.
Tipid ang
Two
serving.
chicken. 4 na maliliit na ano. That's okay.
Kain kami dito, wala dito yung birthday boy.
Kaya,
Yung sa makas.
mamaya magki-cake tayo, may cake kami.
Ay, may cake mo? Yeah. Okay, tomorrow nga ang cake.
Meron din. Basta mga, bumblebee. Oh yeah, so nakapadi ay cake o cupcakes. Nag-order kong mini cupcakes. Lamig dito siya mabuhat.
Kato nang,
Atong gi-order na ako nga taga dire.
dili ka tumahal tayo nga ano.
Dili. Kay nindot yung cupcakes. Lamian ko niya. Napad yung mini. So try na mo mini. Lamiin ka mo.
Napa isa te.
Namin sa kawan, o bato?
He's your brother.
Can you watch it?
You can wipe it. Wipe it. Can wipe.
Hi guys.
Oh my guys.
Hi guys. My brother is asking you something. He's talking about Again. My brother's coming.
Okay, not yet. Alright, okay. Who's gonna choose first?
Me.
Who's gonna choose first?
Me.
Okay, close your eyes, Ayla. Choose Alo. Choose. No,
No, just choose
This is
your
the
poison.
Okay, that's your poison. Remember, that's the poison, okay? Close your eyes,
I
Alo.
think it's going to be
What's your poison, Isla?
This one.
Don't eat it.
Okay. Alright, that's your poison. Okay, ready? Open your eyes, both.
Okay. This.
No.
Okay, you pick first.
I'll
Go.
choose this one. This one.
Safe. Safe.
Safe.
Alo, look at Ayla and tell her if it's safe or not.
Safe.
Was that safe?
Okay. Then this one.
Is it safe, Alo?
Safe, Alo?
Go pick it, Alo. Up to you.
Safe.
Safe. Isla's turn.
This one. I'll read this.
Is it safe, Alo? He ate his own poison.
Alo, that was the poison you picked.
Your poison.
You ate it.
Mom does this poison.
Yeah.
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
I think
Keep going.
He just wants to eat the Skittles.
Yeah.
Safe.
Yeah, safe.
Yeah, you're all safe now.
You know, you safe, Ayla. You know what the poison is. You safe.
Guys,
Yeah, safe.
Yes,
Ayla.
safe.
did he pick this one?
No, it's the one you picked because he already ate his poison.
Okay. Oh!
Buot ni mo dong, Arlo.
That was the poison.
That was the poison, Arlo.
Poison.
That was the poison.
From ano siya?
Alo, I think you just did this game to eat. You
Yeah.
ate your poison.
You ate it, Arlo.
Honey, come here. And then we'll do it at this point today.
Na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alo.
Happy birthday to you. Arlo. Hello, Arlo.
Oh, come on, Ali.
Yay!
Birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Arlo.
Catch him from the bottom.
Happy birthday, boy. Oh, gikuha ng happy birthday. Yo.
Happy birthday, Owl.
Gonna keep that for tomorrow, don't worry about it.
I'll do it.
Oh, careful. No.
Chloe, no, what are you doing? It's his birthday. Don't you dare. No.
It's his birthday. He needs to come.
Good job, Ali. You gonna make a wish, Ali? Make a wish? leave the knife in there. You gotta leave the knife in there.
Do it too.
Good job.
I wish for
Do you
more
make a
toys.
wish?
I don't need to.
Do you need to?
I don't need to.
Say, I wish for more toys.
More toys. Yum.
Who wants a cake? Who wants a piece?
Wait, no, man.
Not you? Okay. Got a case, guys?
Only.
Yes, please. Share today, ikaw, te.
Diane concert. Yes.
Can we have some skills?
Happy birthday, Alo! Ampay sa niyang cake.
Hello. Good morning.
Ay, na birthday.
Hindi na naglinit-linit. Ganun na, bulingit tayo ninyo.
Yeah, mo siguro lamig yan to. Ako sa hindi hindi ko na ako patagay. Isa na ako. Kaya na ako ba, kasi magmakas ba? Ay, natuog man, nakaabot na lang, nakauli lagi ka makas. Dari ko sa kayo, kaya hindi na gawas.
Taas na siya, 2-4 hours. Good luck. What time are you gonna sleep?
Painom yung champagne.
Kaya sa itong wines.
Hello na, so far. Go. Di, wake up yung mami ba? Tida. Lagi na sa kwan.